Welcome to Secret Garden. It's good to have you back here today. Just like yesterday, find a comfortable place to sit. It doesn't need to be perfectly quiet, just somewhere you feel safe and comfortable right now. And once you're seated, let the body settle naturally. Notice how your body is sitting right now, without trying to adjust or perfect anything. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes, or simply lower your gaze, looking softly at a spot in front of you. Today, we're going to place our attention on the breath. There's no need to breathe deeply. No need to use any special technique. Just breathe normally. Breathing in and breathing out, letting the body follow its own rhythm. And if you'd like, you can try 1 or 2 slower breaths. Breathing in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathing out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 6. No need to force it. No need to make it perfect. And now, allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. Notice the air moving in through the nose and moving back out through the nose or the mouth. No need to control it. No need to force anything. Now, see if you can rest your attention around the chest or the belly, wherever the movement of the breath feels easiest to notice. As you breathe in, the chest or belly gently rises, and as you breathe out, it slowly softens back down. If the breath feels short right now, let it be short. If the breath feels long, let it be long. You don't need to force yourself to relax. Relaxation often comes on its own when we stop demanding it. And if thoughts appear, that's completely normal. The moment you notice your mind drifting away, just gently acknowledge it, thinking, and then slowly return to the breath. No need to judge yourself, and no need to push thoughts away. The same goes for sensations in the body. If you notice tension, numbness, heaviness in the legs, or tightness in the shoulders, just notice it. And when you're ready, return again to the breath. Right now, the breath is already happening. Not in the past, not in the future, just here. We'll stay with the breath for a few more moments. Nothing else to do, just breathing. And whenever you feel ready, take one slow breath in and gently breathe out. Begin to softly move your fingers and your toes, and slowly open your eyes, allowing your awareness to return to the space around you. And for today, this was enough. The breath will be here whenever you choose to return to it. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you in day 3.